Beautiful girl.
Look at us.
Good boy, Diesel. Good girl, Akina.
Can I do the next one? Yeah. I'll get the boss one.
My beautiful babies. We've been running for a while, and Akina's starting to lose, starting to tuck her out. But look at my Diesel. Gonna be 11 years old in a couple of months, and he's still going.
Where's the ball?
That's my boy.
Dude, you're gonna lose.
Good boy.
I'll give this. Come on, Diesel. Haha, you messed up.
Aha, you're my aunt.
Boy. Get my bag, my hat. Oh well.
You got my aunt.
No, don't throw it.
Don't throw it.
Take it off, dog.